Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my weight loss vlogs. I know it's been a hot little minute since I've done one of these weight loss vlogs. I haven't really it's not that I fell off of keto. I've pretty much been doing keto, like you guys know, for a year and a half almost already. And these last 4 or 5 months, I've still been on keto, but I've had a lot going on. So I've been kind of not being so consistent on the weekends and stuff like that. So during the week, I'll stick to a low carb diet. I don't know if it's so much keto, but I just stick to a low carb diet. And then on the weekends, I've been binge eating basically and just, not doing the best. So I really want to get back on track. And I know that when I was doing these weight loss vlogs, I was so much better, so much more consistent because I was held accountable because of these vlogs. And since I've stopped doing them, like I said, I've been falling off. So I want to pick these back up again. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's Friday, August 16th. So I just left my job right now. I just came to pick up something and I just got a facial and my face feels so good and glowy and smooth and I'm just so excited. So I just got a facial with Stacy. Her Instagram, I believe, is Beauty by Stacy. She is so amazing. She does a hydrofacial. It's a 3-in-1 facial situation. It's not invasive. She doesn't pick at your face or anything, but it's so good and it honestly, my face feels so smooth and it looks so glowy and bright and it's amazing. I'm definitely going back in a month and a half for sure to get another one, and the experience was just amazing. So yeah, I did that this morning, stopped by my job, picked up something. I've only had a coffee today. I had a coffee from Starbucks with some coconut milk basically, and yeah, I'm gonna go home now and make myself my lunch, basically my first meal of the day because I haven't eaten. And tonight we're going to Cooper's Hawk. For those of you who don't know, Cooper's Hawk is a winery restaurant. We are members there, so we basically have a monthly membership and we get 2 bottles of wine and 2 wine tastings every month. So we're gonna go there and do our wine tastings and drink some wine. They have great keto options there. They have this shrimp that's wrapped in bacon with guacamole, so delicious. So yeah, basically gonna have a chill day. I'm not gonna be working out today because I do want to start walking again and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna be doing it today because they told me not to wear sunscreen on my face, and I don't the sun is so harsh right now. I don't want to get sun exposure and I don't want to get all sweaty and everything after I just got this facial. So I'm gonna cool off on that for now, but hopefully tomorrow I will be walking and doing some kind of exercise tomorrow. But today's just gonna be a day of chilling, and then I'm gonna get ready for a fun night. Alright guys, so I'm about to make myself some tostones de pana. I'm not sure if I've mentioned these on my channel before, but tostones are typically fried plantains. But Goya, this brand right here, came out with some tostones de pana, which are tostones from breadfruit. And they are only 6 carbs for 3 pieces. You see? 7 carbs minus 1 of fiber is 6 net carbs for 3 pieces. So right now I'm going to put 3 pieces into my air fryer right here. Now put it up. Let's make it at 370. Let's put them for 10 minutes. They taste so much better deep fried. And that's how I usually eat them, but honestly it's not the best for you. Deep frying anything is not good for you. So sometimes I will do them in the air fryer and they don't taste as good, but they still taste good. And I'm gonna have that with some leftover steak from last night. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna have it with this steak, and I believe that's a piece of chicken. So I'm gonna have that with my 3 tostones and call it a day for lunch. So this is my outfit. Ready for some wine. Oh my god, I wasn't even recording. It's not even recording. So guys, I attempted to film this little situation right now, but my camera wasn't recording. So now it's recording, and this is great lighting right now. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my skin. It looks so good after that facial I had today. Obviously I have a ton of makeup on, but my face doesn't usually look this, you know, smooth and everything, even with makeup on. Like it usually looks like a little textury because I have a lot of texture, but it looks so good. So I'm so excited to get another facial with her in about a month or so. Yeah, so I wanted to show you guys my clips as well. I got these on Amazon, super cheap. I got a pack of 15 for like $8. Usually they retail for like $13 for one clip, so a steal. If you're looking to get these little 90s inspired clips, go on Amazon. There's like a bunch of different ones. And yeah, so we're gonna go to Uber Talk right now, have a little date night, drink some wine, eat some keto friendly food, and yeah, see you there. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I know I didn't vlog yesterday. I only vlogged basically what I have for breakfast, but I did wake up so hungover from Friday night. I had such a headache and I just spent the day relaxing with my best friend, and I didn't really think of vlogging just because I felt horrible in the morning. I was supposed to go out for a walk and I didn't. So yeah, basically woke up and had myself a Starbucks sandwich, but I took off the bread and I just had the sausage and the cheese with my coffee. And this morning I woke up and I made myself an omelet, and I had again my Starbucks coffee with coconut milk and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. So right now I'm about to go on a walk with Aria, and that's pretty much what I have planned for the day. Just to go out for a walk, spend some time with her, let her play outside, and probably go to Publix later on. I do have to go fix my phone because I cracked it. I just got it like 3 weeks ago and I already cracked my screen. So I do have to go fix my phone and then probably go grocery shopping and buy stuff for pretty much the rest of the week to have for lunch and dinner. And that's pretty much it. That is my plan for the day. Oh, didn't mention to you guys. So woke up yesterday morning, hungover, like I told you guys, and decided to weigh myself. I am at a whopping 159. I have not been 159 since like September of last year. My lowest weight has been 152, and I was 152 at like the end of April-ish. Right before I left to Vegas on my trip, I was 152. So I've gained 7 pounds in the past, what is it, 4 or 5 months. I've gained 7 pounds, and that is honestly a lot for me. I feel like that's just been because I've been so back and forth. I haven't been consistent, and I've been eating like absolute crap, especially on the weekends. And I did go on a cruise at the end of June. I obviously ate whatever the heck I wanted and overate, and I just felt bloated and horrible on that cruise because I ate so much and drank a lot. So yeah, I really need to get back on track because I am not happy that I'm at 159 at all whatsoever. That's like unacceptable. Not happy at all that I even got to that point, that I've gained those 7 pounds. I'm used to gaining like 1 or 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds here back and forth, but like a whole 7 pounds is like, it's a lot. Like it just, you know, set me back a lot. So I have to work on getting my crap together. And yeah, I also have a photo shoot coming up in about a week, so I want to feel my best. So I really want to do my best to stay on track, walk every day, do some kind of activity so I can feel the leanest, especially for my photo shoot, because I want to feel good about myself, and that reflects in the photos. So yeah, I gotta get my crap together. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna go out for a walk, and that's about it. So I just finished my walk. I'm about to take a shower, and I'm gonna film a video, a beauty video for my channel. So that's gonna be the plan for today before I have to go and fix my phone. Look like a hot mess. But the walk was so good. I feel great, but it was scorching hot. I had to stop a few times and drink some water and give Aria water too because it was just so freaking hot. But It was a good walk. So I finished my workout and I filmed a video for my beauty channel on this look right here. It's really a full coverage foundation routine, so I didn't really film like the eyes or anything, but I did film my foundation routine, and I'm loving the way my foundation looks, my makeup, everything. I'm just obsessed. My cute little clip right here. But we are now at BJ's. Caesar's just buying some like laundry detergent and toilet paper and just stuff for the house. No food or anything like that. I do have to go still fix my phone, and hopefully later on go to Publix and buy food for the week. But I just wanted to check in on you guys, and I feel great. I feel great after working out, honestly. I think we might go to Lime to have like a taco salad or something. It is a Mexican restaurant, fast casual, for those of you who don't know what Lime is. But yeah, they have a bomb taco salad, so I think I might do that for like a lunch dinner situation. So yeah. Hi guys, it is Tuesday evening. Right now it's about like 7:20-ish, and I'm about to go on a walk. I wasn't gonna walk because I just wasn't feeling it. I had dinner already, but I was like, no, you know what? Put your clothes on and go out for a walk. So that's what I'm gonna do. My dinner was delicious. I had some ground beef with broccoli. It was kind of like a stir fry situation, and my dad fried me an egg, sprinkled some cheese on it. It was delicious. So yeah, and I had some sparkling water that I've been loving lately, the LaCroix lemon flavored. It makes me feel like I'm drinking soda, so good option. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go out for my regular walk, and hopefully, fingers crossed, by the time Friday rolls around, we'll be at least a couple pounds lighter, because I cannot even believe I got myself back to 159. So let's get to walking. Good morning, beautiful people. Sorry, the sun is in my face terribly, but it is Friday. It is weigh-in day, and this morning I weighed in at a whopping 156, so that means we lost 3 pounds. I'm so excited. I wanted to lose perhaps a little more, maybe 4, but you know what? 3 is good. So that means that honestly, if you just stick to some kind of healthy eating and do some kind of healthy activity, you will see progress. And that's what happened to me today. I am on my way to work actually right now. I usually don't work on Fridays, but I'm not gonna be at work on Monday because I'm gonna do a photo shoot on Monday, so I am not going into work. And also my best friend's leaving to Orlando for her birthday, and yes, I work with my best friend, for those of you who don't know. And did I say it was for her birthday? It's for her niece's birthday. So yeah, she's leaving to Orlando, so I am covering for her. So I am working a full day today. So yeah, I'm so happy with our progress. I'm so happy that our first vlog back, I lost weight, and I lost 3 pounds at that. Do you guys see my clips? I love them. So yeah, I'm pretty happy today. It's gonna be a good Friday. So I'm honestly, like, I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited. I'm not back at my lowest weight. I still have about 4 more pounds left to be at my lowest weight, which is 152. But I feel like with a mixture of this week that just passed and next week, I feel that for Caesar's birthday is September 2nd, so it's technically Labor Day weekend. So I feel that for that weekend, I should be pretty close to my lowest weight. So that weekend we're gonna have lots of fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for those who stick around and are still subscribers and still care about my weight loss journey. So thankful for you guys. Thank you again. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And I will see you in the next weight loss vlog. Bye guys.